Meaning of gravely.
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 Gravely. Gravely is an adverb used to describe a situation or action that is serious, severe, or potentially dangerous. It can also describe a person who speaks or acts with solemnity and seriousness. When an event or situation is described as gravely, it implies that there is a significant risk or potential for harm. This word may be used in a variety of contexts, such as health conditions, legal matters, or world events. Overall, gravely connotes a sense of urgency and importance, and should be taken seriously.